Welcome to our tutorial on finding the last row number in a range within Excel. Whether you're dealing with dynamic datasets or performing data analysis, knowing the last row number can be crucial. We'll explore 3 methods to determine this using Excel functions. Let's begin with method 1, which combines the row and rows functions to calculate the last row number in a specified range. This method is straightforward and relies on understanding how to manipulate row numbers in a range. The row function is used to identify the row number of the first cell in a given range, while the rows function tells us the total number of rows within that range. Together, they can help us pinpoint the last row number. To calculate the last row number, you can use the formula equals row, B3 laughing face 6, plus rows, B3 laughing face 6, 1. This formula works by first determining the first row number in the range and then adding the total number of rows, subtracting 1 to adjust for the range starting point. Moving on to method 2, we'll use the min function alongside row and rows to achieve our goal. This method is particularly useful when you need to find the first row dynamically and then calculate the last row from there. The min function can be utilized to find the first row in a range by returning the smallest row number. This is helpful when the range starts at different points and you need a flexible approach to determine the first row. With the first row number obtained using equals min, row, B3 laughing face 6. You can then apply a similar calculation as in method 1 to find the last row number. This method provides an alternative way to dynamically determine the starting point of your range. For our third method, we introduce the index function, which, when combined with row and rows, offers another approach to finding the last row number. This method is especially useful for more complex data structures or when you need to reference specific cells within a range. The index function is a powerful tool for returning a reference to a specific cell within a range. When used with the row function, it can dynamically identify the first row number in a range, regardless of where the range starts. The formula equals row, index, B3 laughing face 6, 1, 1, plus rows, B3 laughing face 6, 1. Uses the index function to find the reference of the first cell in the range and then calculates the last row number. This method is versatile and can be adapted to various range structures. Congratulations! You've learned 3 different methods to find the last row number in a range in Excel. These techniques are essential for anyone working with dynamic datasets and need to perform operations based on the data's structure. With these methods, you can efficiently manage and analyze your data. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides to enhance your data handling skills.